open the crates and then going to do a floppy. I have a revenge raid, but I have a feeling that I will need the C4 in the floppy. People asked me to open the floppy and let them see what I got. I got that floppy last night on a raid, which was wow. And it was a tiny ass base. Really, you wouldn't even expect to get there something good, but I got so much stuff. And I think I now know how to distinguish between the regular bases of players and the hackers, because it was a hacker. I can put my money on it. So now I know when to fight for a raid and when to just let go. But I have a revenge raid, and it's a huge base. So I give it a few more hours to get some stuff, and then I will be on it. Come on. If I get an infected box, I'm gonna be so mad. When you get a floppy, you either get like a regular box, like the box here, the red one, or you get an infected box. And the infected box, you need to put it in the pool, that special pool. Oh, it's called the acid bath. Yeah, you need to put it in there. But to build the acid bath, it's not only these things. After that you need a lot of more stuff. Air filters and really crazy stuff. The roads that I've been keeping. Okay. Let's put all the other stuff in. Ooh. And you need 15 engine parts for the acid bath, so yeah. Bullshit. That's okay. Okay. Do I have... Oh jeez, not good. Okay, you know what? Let's take you, let's take... you, I guess? It's okay. And yeah, I have the coordinates. Not infected box, please, not infected box. I will be so pissed if it is infected box. I'm going out tonight, got the case of the hiccups. Okay. Jesus. Toxic. Yeah. Here's the crate. Not infected, yay! Oh lord, something big is okay. Jesus, no. God, I don't know why the controllers are not like Swift. I died from an exploder twice because the joystick, this thing, wasn't really reacting, and I don't know why. Okay, let's see what's in the floppy, shall we? Woohoo! 2 C4s, 1 engine part, 1 AC. Not bad, not bad. But for the amount of things that I had to use to get it, it's not worth it. It's worth it for the C4, but you know, a minigun, an AK, another set of SWAT gear. Not bad, not bad. Colors. I have so much of the gas mask, it's unreal. Yep. So this is the loot from the Floppy. Not bad. The most worth it is the C4.